Are you ready to unlock the secrets of trading gold in 2025? The XAUUSD market is notorious for its explosive volatility. This volatility can lead to rapid profits, but also poses a great risk of losing capital quickly. In this video, we'll focus on mastering this volatility through precise risk management. The heart of a successful XAUUSD trading strategy lies in the non-negotiable 1% risk rule. This rule is essential for protecting your account from sudden price swings. The key idea is to manage risk flawlessly instead of trying to predict price movements. Gold's volatility means large price moves can occur in minutes. This quick pace amplifies mechanical risks, such as slippage during high-impact news events. Traders need to anticipate these risks to safeguard their investments. To thrive in the gold market, position sizing is critical. Always calculate your position based on the 1% rule. This ensures that even with significant price fluctuations, your losses remain manageable. Next, let's discuss the safe strategy. In volatile conditions, the stop loss must be set wider than typical currency pairs. The SL should be positioned at significant swing points on higher time frames, like H4 or daily charts. During high volatility, consider reducing your fixed risk target from 1% to 0.5% or 0.75%. This reduces the chance of being caught in slippage. Use micro-lot sizing to balance risk and position size effectively. Additionally, avoid trading solely on low time frames without confirmation from the higher time frames. This strategy minimizes the risk of noise and helps ensure you're trading in the right direction. Remember, the 1% risk rule is non-negotiable. Even if trading opportunities appear attractive, never exceed this ceiling. Small, consistent wins will lead to success over time, while chasing large gains can end in disaster. In summary, the key to a successful XAUUSD strategy in 2025 is strict adherence to risk management principles. Use the 1% risk rule, set structural stop losses, and practice disciplined trading. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Start calculating your position risk using the guidelines we've discussed, and protect your capital while trading gold. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights on trading strategies and risk management techniques. Let's master the gold market together.